To understand why dreams might be more than just brain activity, we need to start with a revolutionary idea from physics, the holographic principle. This isn't science fiction, it's a serious scientific theory that suggests our entire universe might function like a giant hologram. In a hologram, every single fragment contains information about the whole image. Break it into pieces, and each piece can still project the complete picture, just with less detail. Now, imagine if reality itself works this way, where every part contains information about the whole cosmos. This idea emerged from the work of physicist David Bohm and neuroscientist Carl Pribram in the 1970s. Bohm proposed that beneath our perceived reality lies a deeper implicate order where everything is interconnected, while Pribram discovered that memories in the brain are distributed like holographic patterns rather than stored in specific locations. Their synthesis created a stunning possibility. What if the universe is a cosmic hologram, and our brains are specialized receivers designed to decode just one frequency of this infinite reality? This is where everything changes for how we understand dreams. The conventional scientific view sees the brain as a generator. It creates dreams from memory fragments, emotions, and random neural activity during sleep. But the holographic model presents a completely different picture: your brain as a receiver and decoder. Instead of manufacturing dreams from scratch, your consciousness might be tuning into other frequencies of the holographic universe while your body rests. Think of it like this: your waking consciousness is tuned to one specific channel, the solid, physical reality we navigate daily. But during sleep, your receiver, your brain, starts scanning other channels, other frequencies of existence. The dreams you experience are translations of these broadcasts from other regions of reality. This explains why dreams often feel so vividly real, because in this model, they are real experiences, just happening on different vibrational planes than our normal waking state. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence for this theory comes from the bizarre nature of dreams themselves. Dreams operate on a logic that defies our waking understanding of physics and causality. People teleport, time flows backward, objects transform into other objects, all with a strange sense of normalcy within the dream. The holographic model explains this perfectly because a holographic universe is inherently non-local. In non-locality, every part is connected to every other part instantaneously, beyond the constraints of space and time. Dream logic is the direct expression of this non-local, holographic reality. When you dream of being in one place and suddenly appearing somewhere else, you're experiencing the native operating system of the cosmos. Author Michael Talbot explored this extensively in his book The Holographic Universe, arguing that paranormal experiences and dream mysteries aren't breaks in natural law, but glimpses of the deeper holographic laws that underlie everything. Your weirdest dreams might be your closest encounters with reality's true nature. Remarkably, this cutting-edge scientific theory finds profound echoes in ancient spiritual practices, particularly Tibetan Buddhist dream yoga. For centuries, Tibetan masters have trained in lucid dreaming not for entertainment, but for profound ontological investigation. The goal is to recognize the dreamlike nature of waking reality and the reality-like nature of dreams. Through disciplined practice, dream yogis seek to understand that both states are projections of the mind, or, in holographic terms, different decodes of the same fundamental conscious field. The ultimate aim is liberation from being passively tuned by reality, becoming instead a conscious navigator of the frequency domains themselves. This maps almost perfectly onto the holographic model. Practitioners prove through direct experience that all phenomena have the nature of emptiness luminosity, an interference pattern emptiness, projecting vivid, apparent reality luminosity. When science and ancient wisdom converge like this, it's worth paying attention. So what specific dream phenomena does the holographic model explain better than conventional theories? First, the incredible vividness and emotional reality of dreams. If they are actual experiences in other reality frequencies, this makes perfect sense. Second, prophetic dreams and shared dreams become understandable in a holographic universe where information isn't bound by linear time or individual consciousness. Third, the creative insights that often emerge from dreams, solutions to problems, artistic inspiration, scientific breakthroughs, could be your consciousness accessing information from the holographic whole. Even near-death experiences, which share similarities with certain dream states, might be explained as tuning into different frequencies of the cosmic hologram. The model doesn't dismiss neuroscience, but expands it. Your brain's neural patterns might be the physical interface that allows consciousness to decode these cosmic broadcasts into experiences you can remember and process. The implications of this theory are truly transformative. Instead of seeing dreams as a neurological sideshow, the holographic principle suggests they are potentially sacred journeys of exploration. Each night, as your body sleeps, your consciousness might be voyaging across the frequency spectrum of a unified, intelligent universe. You're not locked in your skull, you're a transceiver of reality. Your brain isn't a cinema projector creating shows from nothing, but more like a television receiving broadcasts. In sleep, you channel surf the cosmos. The dreams you bring back, whether beautiful, terrifying, or bizarre, aren't mere fiction. They're reports from the front lines of consciousness exploration, translations of experiences from other regions of a reality so vast that our waking mind can only perceive the single channel it was designed for survival. To study your dreams, then, becomes an act of reverse engineering your receiver and mapping the broadcast spectrum of existence itself.